Hello, my name is Luz Maria Alejandra Sanchez Cordova, and this year I'm going to be your teacher for English 5. In this video, we are going to see how you are going to learn, how you are going to work, what materials we are going to use, and in general to have an introduction of who am I. So let's start. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to die forever." So, welcome to English 5 and welcome to Prepa 8 again. I'm sure during this period we will have a very nice experience, but we will have new challenges to face. And these challenges will need new strategies to use because we are going to work online and we are going to learn in distance. So maybe this is going to be something new for most of us, and we have to work hard. I want to tell you that I have been an English teacher for more than 35 years, so this experience may be different in this time for me, but I love teaching, especially because I've been working for teenagers like you, and I love teaching teenagers because you are always, I take your youth for me. The purpose of this course is to practice the 4 skills in language learning, which are reading, writing, listening, and speaking, but not a very high level, in a level like very basic. I'm sure you already know more than the English is expected from you, but we are going to practice in different ways. In this case, we will have to work with many different tools and apps in technology because we are not face-to-face, and sometimes these apps and tools, you already know how to use them, but sometimes maybe not. So if you have any doubt, you just ask me and we can learn together. Sometimes you might teach me new apps that are upcoming, so let's learn together. Are you ready to learn? Well, sometimes you are going to work in teams, in pairs, and individually, and we are going to learn from each other, not just you from me, but I will learn from you and you will learn from your classmates. So let's have a nice time and let's be ready to learn. In this case, I wish you good luck and I hope you enjoy the course and be confident that if you have any problem and any doubt, I will be here for you anytime. So welcome to English 5 again. See you next video. Bye.